Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the damage and deciding repair scope. A clean assessment saves time. Once you find the hole, test mesh strength around it to choose twine thickness. Prepare a flat workspace and dry the net thoroughly because wet fiber shifts. Cut a patch slightly larger than the tier and thread a heavy netting needle with matching twine. Make sure to keep materials organized so you can move directly into stitching without interruptions. You anchor the patch by tying a secure knot about 1/2 inch from the tier to distribute load. Then, using overhand or figure-8 stitches, sew through both net and patch at 0. 5 to 1 centimeter intervals so stress is shared across fibers. Pull each stitch firm, but not so tight it distorts the mesh. That balance prevents puckering and weak spots. Once the perimeter is secure, weave a couple cross stitches across the center to restore shape and strength. You finish by trimming loose twine and carefully melting synthetic ends with a lighter to stop unraveling. Make sure not to burn the net. Once done, lay the net flat and apply a gentle, steady load or hang for 10 to 15 minutes to seat the stitches and check for gaps. If the seam slips or shows stress, add reinforcing stitches or a larger patch over the area. Keep that troubleshooting tip in mind. Reinforce early if you see strain.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.